G'day there folks. Here we've got another door lock. You know, it fixes on the end of the door when you shut the door. That's what you see. It's a heavy little bugger too. It's a Lockwood 5-pin. Where's the key? There's the key for it. And I think it's the pin 4 and 5. It's giving me bucket loads of trouble because I can't single pin pick it. Unlocked. Locked. The only way I can get this thing, I've tried everything. And I think it's pin 4 and 5 that's making life difficult. So the only way I can get it is the old Southwood Jigglers. I did get it with one of Capiche's boggaters, but when I tried to do it again for the camera it wouldn't work and I snapped it, so it's now totaled. And that's the result. I'd already broken it once before and managed to fix it, like regrind it, but now it's snapped off at the last one. It's totally knackered. Alright, see how we go. I've no doubt now that it's not going to work for the camera. Oh, there it is. Whoa, you son of a sod. I finally got it. But I've got to change the tension wrench to unlock it. Watch the two dogs there. There it is. Unlocked. Okay, thank you for watching that, and I shall catch you a bit later. Hooroo.